Greg, your hairline is higher than the competition in my niche.
That guy in the thumbnail looks like Asian Tiger Woods.
Don't sell on Amazon. Too many fucking returns.
You guys worship Jeff Bezos. Disgusting.
Greg, I'm gonna knock you out.
Why does Gen look so orange? Do I really, or is that just Donald Trump?
I'm just gonna go back to selling hot dogs. I'd buy a hot dog.
Where's Lenny? What about me, Android fanatic?
I'm only here to listen to the accent. Oh, thanks, mate.
Can I marry you, Gen? Well, thank you, Andre. I'm actually married for 5 years, but I appreciate it.
Scamming people is not worth it, people. Thanks for the tip, Wasabi Knight. We'll, you got us. Sorry.
What?
Bro, how can I trust this program? Bro, how can you not trust this program?
Oh, Gen is hot.
Was that a penis pump? I don't know. I didn't see it. Was there a penis pump?
You have the smallest hands I've ever seen on an adult male. Great video though.
Someone obviously has a sharp eye.
You know what they say about small hands.
Anyone who legit went out after seeing the series and started selling baby towels is just sad as f. Thanks for backing us up, Soft Minimal One.
Why do your ears move more than your lips?
Stop fecking sniffing.
I noticed that that guy doesn't blink.
I'd definitely marry you. Sorry, but I had to say it, colourful girl.
What a monotone, boring guy.
Thank you, I'm very flattered, but yeah, I'm not looking to get married anytime soon.